Hey, what's up? In this video, we'll explore how to properly create a football. So you may think that, hey, just crushing a ball, that's pretty simple, right? But if you realize if it's not well crushed, the layers are not well distributed, overall feel of the game will feel very weird. So here is the way that I will crush and create my own football. Best is to use it's kind of rough paper, as you can see over here. So this is a used paper. What you want to do is to twist, okay, have this twisting motion like that. Twist and crush. Twist and crush. Twist and crush. And with these three fingers and three fingers, press and rotate. Press and rotate. Press and rotate. There you can see very well distributed layers. So I have colored balls over here. Yeah, see the size is pretty uniform. Okay, so let's create balls of different colors. So these are the spares that I got from making color players. Tutorial over here. How do you partition the A4 printing paper 80 GSM grams per square meter? And without further ado, let's go. So you can see it's all very uniform in shape and in size and the paper distribution as well. Also the look of it. And that is this little tool over here. So this looks like a little netting. It's actually a filter net thing for the kitchen sink where you discard food scraps and this gets trapped inside and you can just throw it away. So this is pretty much a kitchen lifesaver for me. What we want to do with this and this is to actually wet the football, yeah, and to keep them from opening up, we need to use something like this to hold them into place, to hold them in position. So just like that, give it a twist and a little clip and in. Yeah, so it's gonna look like that. So yep, let's go to the kitchen to get some water. It's my two cats at home. So you just run this under the water and just let it soak. Or you can just put water into a container and dip the whole ball inside. Make sure it's totally wet. Okay, so what we're going to do is to dry it up. So I have over here with me a ball that I prepared last night. So let's bring it down. And this is the wet one. It gets to go up here to be dried. Okay, and this is the dry one. Yeah, this is the dry one. And let's see how it goes. Wow, we can even hear the sound. This is the one with the water treatment and this is the one without. Okay, let's see. So you can hear the difference in the sound. With water, without water. First try. I realize it's better to just fill a container of water and yep, just dip everything in, make sure it's well soaked. Looks like cereals in it. Okay. And let these balls dry. Okay, the colored balls are all dried up and let's harvest them. Okay, look at that. Solid. Great save. Great save. And that's all for the masterclass of this ball making tutorial. Work hard, practice hard, and I will see you in the next video. Click here to find out how to create these magnificent players. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I just found this sleek German national team full training kit on a website called Hope F-Ball. But is it real? Let's find out. And it arrived after 2 weeks. First impressions are good. I got a nice little World Cup edition card. Anyways, let's check the kit out. The crest, the badges, the prints are very good. The quality is way better than I expected. And the fabric has a nice feel. It is not made out of cheap material, so it will last a long time. I approve. This is excellent to channel my inner German strength and discipline. This kit is light and stretchy, perfect to train for winning international trophies like the Euros, Confederations, and the FIFA World Cup. You can find the link to this website in my profile. Highly recommend. I just found this scenic Japanese national team jersey on a website called Hope F-Ball. But is it real? Let's find out. And it arrived after 2 weeks. This jersey is very light and perfect for the intense heat in games. The crest, the badges are very good. The prints are very soulful. The quality is way better than I expected and not made out of cheap material, so it will last a long time. I approve. This jersey helps to channel my inner samurai mentality, yet also maintaining a calm Zen spirit. You can find the link to this website in my profile. Highly recommend this site.